Hi, today I want to talk to you about the build and construction of the Wildcat. They have a high gel gloss coat on the outside that is protecting your rig from fading in the sun, and it is also protecting from your decals to fade and pull off of the unit. There's a 5-year warranty on your decals. I haven't heard of any other company that's doing that. The way they construct this is stronger than others. You actually have a 6-sided vacuum bonded wall, and they do aluminum framing on 4 of the sides with wood core in those aluminum frames, with a wood truss on the ceiling. The reason why you want the wood truss is that wood is not going to get hot or cold in the temperature changes. When a metal does that, you'll find condensation being a problem. So that's why we like the wood truss. On top of that, it's pretty strong stuff. And there's going to be some maintenance things that you're going to want to do up there. Your general, every 6 months to a year, you're caulking and making sure that you don't have any cracks in your roof material. Wildcat goes above and beyond with their construction. Also on that roof, they do a TPO roof, which is 2 times more durable than other brands and actually is patchable in case you drag the tree branch across it or get any sort of blemishes or problems up there. So Wildcat Maxx is definitely a way to go if you want to do some full-time RVing. They seal up your underbellies. They put heat pads on your freshwater tank, black water tank, and gray water tank. It's definitely a strong rig for those full-timers. Like and subscribe to our videos.